Hello, happy December. It is December 1st, which means that it is promo release day. So, as usual, doTERRA releases their promos on the first day of every month. And so, typically, the first day of the month is like Christmas, where we get to find out what the promos are for that month and what we're going to be seeing, and all the awesome things that we can get for free and on discount. And any new things that might be available or coming up in the beginning of the month. But since it's December, it is even more like Christmas today because doTERRA has some amazing, amazing promos and things that we only get to see once a year that I'm so excited for. So I just wanted to run through those with you guys this morning, afternoon, depending on where you're at. So that everybody can know what's going on. And of course, if you want anything or you need anything or you need help ordering anything, I am always available. I am ready to help. And there is lots of cool things that you can get for free this month if you get started with a kit or if you are on the loyalty rewards program, which I will talk a little bit more about. In just a second. I had to make a list because there were so many things and I didn't want to forget anything. So I'm going to jump right into it. So doTERRA has a loyalty rewards program. Basically what that means is that if you order at least one item every month, you can get points back towards free products that you can redeem for anything that you choose that you want. Whenever you have those points accrued, you can redeem as many as you have. And so you don't have to place an order every month, but if you are ordering at least one item, it's worth it to be on that program so that you can get those free points and get those free products. You can cancel that order on the loyalty template at any time. And so I am always ordering through loyalty rewards so that I'm always accumulating those points and I'm always getting free things. The other awesome thing about the Loyalty Rewards program is that every month doTERRA gives us an item, an oil typically, that is free if you order 125 PV, which is just personal volume, which oils are 1 PV for $1. So basically if you order $125 worth of product between the 1st and the 15th of the month, you'll get something for free. So you don't even have to do anything other than place the regular order that you would be ordering for the stuff that you'd already be buying, and you get free stuff. So this month, our free thing for $125 is a bottle of Holiday Joy. So this is the holiday blend, and it's also going to come with a cute little snowman topper, which you can make as an ornament for your tree, but it will slide on top of the bottle. So it will turn your bottle into a little snowman, which is super cute. And then it will come with a free bottle of Holiday Joy. This time of year, pretty much all that we have going in our diffuser 24/7 is Holiday Joy because it smells like you are at a Christmas tree farm and it is so beautiful. Holiday Joy is fantastic if you are looking to, like if you maybe have a fake tree. We have a fake tree because I don't want to deal with all the pine needles and all that kind of stuff in the apartment, and so you can put this on ornaments or on cotton balls in the surrounding area and it will smell like you have a real tree in your home. And so we leave it in the diffuser 24/7 and we're constantly diffusing Holiday Joy or the Holiday Peace blend in order to kind of feel like we're in that Christmas spirit when it's 75 degrees in Texas today and it is beautiful and sunny and nowhere feels like Christmas. This Holiday Joy will help you to feel like you're a little bit more in that festive mood this time of year. And so it is wonderful to diffuse. If you are one of those people who loves holiday candles, you love spraying your house with Febreze and Lysol and all those different things in order to make your house smell good, I will just tell you that you are literally killing yourself, your family, and causing cancer and things with those chemicals that you are pumping into your home. And it makes me so sad, and so I would love to just give you a free bottle of Holiday Joy so that you could experience how good the oils can be and then also the benefits that you can get from the oils without putting all those chemicals and carcinogens into your home You can do without them, I promise, and it will save money to use the oils over buying those chemicals anyway. So Holiday Joy has Siberian fir, wild orange, clove, cinnamon, cassia, Douglas fir, nutmeg, and vanilla in it. And so if you can picture what Christmas smells like at all, I can tell you that it is here right in this beautiful little bottle that you will get for free with the snowman topper. So if you place a 125 order, you will get the free Holiday Joy. If you place a 200 PV promo order, you will qualify for the promo for free frankincense. And so frankincense, if you can see my shirt, says, if it was good enough for baby Jesus, hashtag frankincense. Frankincense is one of the 3 things that they gave to baby Jesus. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh. So if you want help getting free frankincense, or we can get you a bottle of myrrh, we can take care of 2/3 of your Christmas list right there. This frankincense is the king of oils. It will be your go-to for anything. I always say, when in doubt, pull Frank out. If you don't know what to use, you've got something going on, you're going to want to turn to frankincense because it is just the best option. I've actually been using frankincense a lot this week. So I had a blood draw done on Thursday, and my body didn't like it very much. And so I've got a lot of bruising here on my arm where they stuck me with the needle. My body doesn't care for that. And so all I've been doing is, I've got a dropper top on my bottle, but I've been just taking a drop of frankincense and then rubbing it on the area, or using a roller bottle version diluted down. And so I've just been rubbing that frankincense right there to help promote healing of that bruising and help the discoloration that I've got, a lot of that going on. And so frankincense has been fantastic for that. Very calming. It is great to help with your any inflammation that you're going to have. Really helps support your immune system. So one of the things that we do with this is we put it in a veggie capsule with 5 oils total. So you're going to put 2 drops frankincense, 2 drops copaiba, 2 drops yarrow palm, 2 drops pink pepper, and 2 drops, oh my gosh, I'm going to forget. Oh, turmeric, 2 drops turmeric in that veggie cap. And then we just take one morning and night to help boost our immune systems and help support us in that. And so frankincense is the go-to for anything. You can place 4 separate 200 PV orders, and you will get a free bottle of frankincense each and every time in the month of December that you place those orders. Frankincense alone retails for $93. And so if you're spending $200 on the oils and then you get $93 for free, you're pretty much getting half off of your order right then and there. And it's going to save you from having to purchase frankincense throughout the year. We actually were able to stockpile enough frankincense in December of last year that I haven't had to buy a bottle of frankincense all year long, and we use it on the regular. In the veggie caps, topically, great on the spine and the bottoms of the feet to support all your body systems. And so grab this frankincense, get started with frankincense. If you don't know what to use, it's always frankincense. I did not care for the smell when I first got it, and so I knew how good it was for my body. So I would just put a drop on the bottoms of my feet, and then I would put socks on my feet, and then I would stick my feet in the covers at the end of the night so that I didn't have to smell it, but I was still getting all those amazing benefits. And so frankincense is one of those oils that now the aroma has grown on me, and I absolutely love how woodsy and grounding it is and how rich the aroma is. But if you don't care for the smell of it, that is an option that you can do so that you still get the benefit, or diluting it in a roller and applying it on the spine. So 200 PV, you get a free bottle of frankincense. And then doTERRA also always has an oil that's 10% off, or a product that's 10% off. This month it's Arborvitae, 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 however you like to pronounce it. This oil, Arborvitae, stands for Tree of Life. And so this is an excellent oil. I will put it in the water when I have plants in order to help promote healthy growth and renewal, just like you would with a tree. And then the other thing that I love to use it for is in anything that's immune supporting. So I have a immune roller blend that I use on my spine or the bottoms of my feet or the back of the neck. And I will always put a couple drops of the Arborvitae in there because I don't want to have any chances of anything nasty getting in my system. And so this is a really good immune support. It also smells really woodsy and tree. It works wonderful with frankincense. The two of them go well together. So definitely put this in your immune support blends and snag this up. So those are the promos that doTERRA has going on for December. But I do want to touch on a couple new products that are going to be coming out on Monday, December 3rd. You're going to be able to get Yarrow Palm, which is one of the 5 oils that we put in those veggie caps every day. You're going to be able to get Yarrow Palm finally available individually. It's going to be in a 30 ml, so it's going to be twice this size. And it's going to come with a dropper top instead of a regular cap. So it's going to have a dropper top similar to this one that I have on the frankincense. But it will be on your Yarrow Palm. Yarrow Palm, and that's amazing having the dropper, because I will tell you, it takes quite a while to get a drop of Yarrow Palm out of this bottle currently. And when you're using it in your veggie caps and you're using it on your face every day, it kind of can take a while to come out of the bottle. I have been using Yarrow Palm in the veggie caps every day, twice a day, but then I've also been using it in my moisturizer and applying it to my face morning and night after I wash my face. And it has done wonders for acne that has tried to arise, and it's just shut it down. Also, I have a lot of acne scarring from years and years of dealing with acne, and a lot of that has helped to be healed, and my skin has just looked overall better, and I have had so much less inflammation in my face, thanks only in part, I'm sure, to the Yarrow Palm. And so this is a fantastic oil, especially with frankincense. You can take this under the tongue, you can take it in the veggie cap. So definitely make sure you get this, because it's going to be in a 30 ml and it's going to be available on Monday. The other thing that's going to be available on Monday is our kids blends. So at convention, doTERRA released this cute little kids kit here. It comes in this little baggie, just like this, and then they each, this is not well planned, throw them down. So each of the little blends fits in the little elastics that you'll see here, and then the pack comes with the flashcards on how to use each of the oils, and helps for the kids to feel more confident and comfortable using the oils. And then the top here, if you take this off, you'll find each of the carabiners that you can put on the blends if you want to have them hooked to their backpacks or whatever. This is an excellent thing. So starting on Monday, you're going to be able to get each of the blends in the kids collection individually. So if you have had the kids collection and Facebook, I might lose you. If you've had each of the blends in the kids collection come together in the kit, but maybe your kids or yourself has gravitated towards 1 or 2 of the oils and you want to restock on them, you'll be able to get them individually starting on Monday. And so we've got Brave, Rescuer, Stronger, Calmer, Steady, and Thinker here, and they will each be available for individual purchase starting on Monday. So that is fantastic for any of those that you're wanting to restock on. You can still buy it in the kit for like all the things included if you haven't gotten that yet. That's still up on the website to do that. And last but definitely not least, on Monday you're going to be able to get the beautiful deodorant, not to be confused with our Balance deodorant. Balance deodorant came out at convention in September, which is this wonderful Balance essential oil that I love so much, with the grounding blend in it, infused into a deodorant that is non-toxic, is so much cleaner, aluminum free, paraben free, all of those things. So this is an excellent option. I've been using it every day, even with my workouts, and it works tremendously. You just I put a drop of Balance on the top to get even more balance into my armpits every day, and it's just a white solid, works really well. And so they are going to roll out just for the holiday items, and they will be limited time, but they're going to come out with a deodorant that is infused with our beautiful blend. So this is the beautiful Captivating blend. It smells beautiful. I don't know what else to say. It is just gorgeous. And so I've been using this as a perfume. I'll just swipe it on my neck and across my chest, and it just smells so delightful and so sweet and just not overpowering. But it is just, it smells so good. And so the deodorant is going to have the beautiful blend in it. The other thing that came out at convention was the body mist with the beautiful in it. So this is an excellent option for like lotion or something like that. If you're interested, you can grab this. This is already available. This is limited time and it's going to sell out soon. And then the deodorant will be out on Monday, and it will have the beautiful in it, and that's also going to be limited time. So if you are interested, jump on that. But this is going to be a great month for promos. Please, please, please let me know if there's anything that you're interested in. We've got a lot of time left if you are looking to get any holiday gifts. The holiday collection, there's still stuff that's available from that. The Holiday Joy, the Holiday Peace, all those things. So just to recap real quick, a $125 order will get you a free bottle of Holiday Joy. 200 PV promo will get you the free frankincense. And then 10% off this month is the Arbor Vitae or Arbor Vitae. So let me know if there's anything I can do for you, or if there's any education that you need and support. I would love to support you in this because it is so fun, and it is my burning passion to make sure that you guys are empowered in your homes to be healers and to take care of yourself and to take care of your family. And so I would love to be here for that and to be here to support you. So if it was good enough for baby Jesus, it is good enough for you. Hashtag get yourself some free frankincense this month and have a wonderful December.